Hey, it's Nat and Steph at Nickel Belt, and we're currently standing in a brand new 2026 East to West Silver Lake, which is exclusive for RV Care.
This model is the 2650, and the interior color, beautiful, Nordic blue.
Wait till you see this thing. So, I'm currently sitting at my awesome breakfast bar, and honestly, this is not even the coolest part of this trailer. You ready for this? Come on, Steph. You walk in, here's the main door. You walk into this beautiful front living room, and it's awesome. This turns into a bed, huge TV, fireplace. You have your same speaker that we showed you in the last video where this actually removes. You can bring it to the beach, bring it wherever you want. Tons of storage. And then at the bottom as well. Now, I love interior design, and I say it every single time, but when we showcase an East to West unit, I cannot get over all the features that you would actually put in your home. This blue and gold pair, it's awesome. How often do you see that in an actual RV? It's awesome. If we keep going, I'm gonna get you to turn around. You're gonna see that the blue continues throughout. You even have this faucet. Turn it on, normal faucet, flip it, rainfall. Come on, is that the coolest part? Turn around, we're gonna show you this huge fridge. Tons of depth, tons of storage space. It's pretty awesome. Same thing with the freezer. And again, just overhead storage, below storage, you've got storage behind. It's just, storage is our friend. We say it all the time. And East to West, they do this very well. All right, let's keep going throughout the trailer. So we're walking in through the bathroom and into the bedroom. And first things first, check out these closet doors. Whoa.
I don't know, I'm average height, everybody, average height, and I'm fitting perfectly in my closet. You know what else can fit in my closet? Washer and dryer. How amazing is that? This closet is huge. It's bigger than the one I have at home. Is this the coolest part about the trailer? Or is it this amazing window? Huge picture window in the bedroom, allows so much natural light in. It's beautiful. When you're at camp, what do you want? You want the sun. You have it in this trailer. Now you got your bathroom, very, very open. As Nat was saying, storage, storage, storage. More. It's crazy. More up here. You have a beautiful bathroom, skylight. You have 1, 2, 3 vents in this trailer, guys. That's incredible.
So this trailer is brand new to us. I'm not gonna lie to you. You have to see it in person to really understand how modern and beautiful this is. And you know what you gotta do?
You gotta shop the Big Lot.